Hello guys, welcome back to my video, and this is part 2 of the okay. Hello, say hello, Mr. Choco. Say hello, Mr. Choco. Say hello. Say hello to the video. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Meg, what the flip? Okay, that was pretty cringe. Oh, hiya! Welcome up! I'm scared. Let's go. You know what to do, right, Mr. Choco? Do you know what to do? Yes, okay, I'ma follow you. Okay, lead the way. By the way, guys, this is part 2, so please enjoy the video. Right now. Oh my god. I fell. Where are you, Mr. Choco? Why you not leave me alone? I mean, why you leave me alone in this stranded mess? A people. Mr. Choco! Yeah, Mr. Choco. Okay. Where are you, Mr. Choco? Where are they? Where are you, Mr. Choco? Don't leave me behind. Hello, Mr. Choco. Where are we going? Why are we going in circles as heck? Why are we going in circles? Hiya! Kuro! Let's try to follow it. Let's try to follow it. Yeah, let's try to follow it. Oh my god, bro. Why did I die so easily? Now I'm back into this trash forest. I'm gonna go have to... Hello, Mr. Choco, you died though. Are you AFK? Take the L. Tags, bro. Tags. You mad? Yeah, you mad, bro. You mad. I can't move my screen. Okay. I ain't mad. Nah, you mad. Okay, lead the way again, please. Hurry up. Oh, hiya, Mokadak. Why are we going in this one? I'm so scared. I don't want to go into that trash swimming pool, you know, that trash one. Oh, hiya. Oh, this as we meet again. Oh my god, bro, why am I here? Okay. Oh, battery. Okay. Okay, I thought that was one. There's a rock. Wow, what do I do with it? Where is my friend, Mr. Yeah, I was supposed. Oh my god! Oh, hello! Yeah, you dead there, Mr. Choco. Go in the other side there, okay? And hurry up. Wait, I'm go in the other side. They met again. You bitch. You bitch. Don't push me. Never again. Wait this instant. I have a battery. So don't even try to kill me. How about you go push? Yeah, you did. How about we run? Where am I? Wanna go explore? Oh, help me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello, hello. Please come save me. Wow. Okay. You won't do anything. Bro, so evil. Bro, so evil. Bro, so evil. So evil. So evil. Ah! So evil. Where are you, Mr. Choco? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Bro, let's go. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Okay, let's go. Bro, hurry up. Hell no. Mind your own. Go, go, go. Oh no. Broda. Where are we going to do, Barada? What the hell? What is Where are we going again? Where's the swimming pool? Oh, it's the swimming pool. Okay, let's go in here. Bro really fell. Oh, it's the swimming pool. I'm going to die. Oh my god, Bokadaka. I wanna meet you with you. Okay, okay, Mr. Choco. Where did you fail again, bro? Bro, where did you fail? Where are you, Mr. Choco? Okay, I'm gonna go down now. Whee! I fell down. Yes, I fell down. This one again. My nightmare. My nightmare. My nightmare. Yeah, my nightmare. I'll stay close. Battery. Yes. Yeah, I'm close. Oh, hell nah. Where am I? Yes, a crow. Oh, well. Oh. Yeah, you're gonna die first, okay, buddy? Hey, brody. Yeah, you're gonna die, brody. Hey, come on, brody. Come on, bro. Hurry up, start walking, okay? Come on, boy. Jack, twang, twang, twang. Hello, Mr. Joko. Why are you so slow? Oh, this is a den. Okay, let's go. Why don't you have legs? Is it broken? Oh, mine too. Mine too. It's broken too. Yeah, yeah, it's broken too. Okay, let's go. Okay, bro, let's go. Where are you, Mr. Choco? Oh, heck no. Heck no, I'm gonna die here. Yeah, I'm gonna die. I'm about to die. I'm gonna 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 die. I'm gonna. Yes. Slurp. Oh my god. I swear. Okay. Okay, let's go. Hello. Hi, say hi. 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 Ohio. Ohio. Mokada. Ohio Mokada. Ohio Mokada. Now you're left alone there, buddy. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Hell no! Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's go. my god, that works so well! Yeah. No. I shorted. Okay. Ha, did we just fasted? You're so funny and so ugly. Do you have a batara? Let's go find some batara, ako. Oh, there's a rock. There's a rock. There's no freaking batteries. And I'm gonna die. Oh, shit. Who was killed? Papatayin ako. That was so scary. Nah, just joking. Okay, hello, Mr. Choco. Let's go, Mr. Choco. My ears hurt. Lol, lol, lol. Jolly Rancher. I love Jolly. Wait for me! Why am I crawling? Wait for, okay, let's go. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, why am I here again? Oh, here. Okay. That's it for the video. Peace out, guys. Say goodbye, Mr. Choco. Say goodbye. 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 Say goodbye, bro. I'm gonna end the video here. Okay, bye-bye.